The healthiest ways to add garlic to your diet. The strong bulb, known for its unique taste, garlic, has been loved for hundreds of years. Both as a food ingredient and for its possible health benefits. Garlic is known as a food powerhouse because it helps the heart and immune system. But to get the most health benefits from it, you need to know how to eat it in the best way. Let's talk about the different ways you can eat garlic and get the most out of its health benefits. 1. Raw garlic. People think that eating garlic in its raw form is the best for your health. Allicin, the chemical that gives garlic many of its health benefits, is most common in raw garlic. When you chop or crush raw garlic, the enzyme allinase is activated. This enzyme changes allicin into allicin, which makes garlic more useful for health. You can put raw garlic on toast, add it to salad dressings or salsas, or eat it by itself. 2. Garlic in a pot. Cooking garlic changes the chemicals that make it up. But it doesn't always make it less healthy. Not only does heat weaken allicin, but it also makes other helpful chemicals, like S-allyl-cysteine, more bioavailable. You can make garlic taste softer while keeping many of its health benefits by stir-frying, sautéing, or roasting it. For a savory twist, add cooked garlic to soups, pasta sauces, or roasted veggie dishes. 3. Fermented garlic. In the process of fermentation, garlic not only gets better in taste but also gets more nutrients. When garlic is fermented, it goes through molecular changes that may make its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects stronger. Fermented garlic can be added to food to make it taste better, or eaten as a dressing. It also helps your gut health by adding probiotics. 4. Supplements with garlic. If you don't like the smell of raw or cooked garlic, garlic pills are a good option. The garlic extract in these products usually comes in the form of capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts. Even though vitamins might be good for you, it's important to only buy high-quality products from well-known brands to make sure they are pure and effective. Before starting a new supplement plan, you should always talk to a medical professional. 5. Garlic oil. Another popular way to use garlic in cooking is to add garlic to oil. It is important to keep in mind, though, that garlic-infused oils sold in stores might not be as healthy as fresh garlic, because they could be contaminated with botulism. Adding fresh garlic pieces to a carrier oil, like olive oil, is a safe way to make garlic oil. You can then use it as a flavorful base for salad dressings or marinades. 6. Powder of garlic. Garlic powder is easy to keep in the pantry and can make many recipes taste better. It might not have as many health beneficial chemicals as fresh garlic, but it can still help you get more garlic. When shopping for garlic powder, look for names that only have garlic and no salt or preservatives added. It doesn't matter how you eat garlic. Adding it to your diet regularly can deliver a host of health advantages. However, it's important to be aware of possible side effects, like stomach pain or problems when taking certain medicines, especially when taking a lot of raw garlic or pills. Limiting what you eat is important with any change. By trying out different ways to prepare garlic, you can find the healthiest and most fun way to use it in your cooking while still getting all of its benefits. How easy is it for me to add garlic to my daily diet? The addition of garlic to your daily food can be pretty simple and is very good for you. Here are some easy ways to add garlic to your food all the time. Use it in cooking. Chopped or minced garlic can be added to almost any savory food, like soups, stews, stir-fries, sauces, and marinades. Garlic adds a nice flavor to many foods and can take your cooking to the next level. Put it on toast. To make a tasty spread for toast or bread, mash roasted garlic or chop raw garlic and mix it with butter or olive oil. You can eat this for breakfast or as a snack, and it tastes good and is good for you. You should make salad dressings. For extra taste, add minced or crushed garlic to salad dressings you make at home. It tastes great when mixed with olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs to make a dressing that you can drizzle over salads or roasted veggies. Make infusions with garlic. Adding garlic cloves to olive oil makes it a useful item for cooking. To make olive oil taste like garlic, just put peeled garlic cloves in a bottle and let it sit for a few days. This infused oil can be used to cook with or to add taste to salads and dips. Enjoy it raw. If you can stand the strong smell, you might want to eat raw garlic for the most health benefits. You can cut up raw garlic and mix it with honey or yogurt to make it taste less strong. Or you can just add it to fresh salsa, guacamole, or hummus to make them taste even better. Give fermented garlic a try. Fermented garlic is a tasty and probiotic-rich food that you should add to your diet. Fermented garlic makes food taste better and gives you good bacteria for your gut health. Use supplements wisely. If you have trouble adding garlic to your food on a daily basis, you can take garlic supplements. But make sure you pick supplements that are of good quality and come from well-known names. Also, talk to a doctor before starting any new supplement plan. These easy ways of adding garlic to your daily meals will let you enjoy its tasty taste and many health benefits without much trouble. Try out various recipes and cooking methods to discover the one that suits your taste and way of life the most. Who should not eat garlic? Even though garlic is good for most people's health, there are some people who should limit or avoid eating it for different reasons, such as 1. Reactions to allergens. Oregano, leeks, onions, and other plants in the allium family may cause allergies in some people. People who are allergic to garlic can have minor reactions like itching and rashes on their skin, or more serious reactions like anaphylaxis and trouble breathing. If you have any bad responses after eating garlic, you should see a doctor right away and stay away from garlic in the future. 2. Sensitivity in the intestines. Some people can't handle garlic because it can make their digestive system upset, leading to heartburn, reflux, bloating, gas, or diarrhea. To keep from feeling sick, people with sensitive stomachs or GI problems like acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, may need to reduce or stop eating garlic. 3. Drugs that thin the blood. Because garlic is naturally anticoagulant, it can help keep blood from clotting. This may be good for your heart, but it may make you more likely to bleed if you take it with blood-thinning drugs. Before taking garlic pills or eating a lot of garlic, people who are already taking medicines that thin the blood should talk to their doctor. 4. Going to have surgery. Garlic thins the blood, so eating it before surgery or dental work should be limited or avoided to lower the risk of too much bleeding during and after the treatment. It is suggested that you stop taking garlic pills or eating a lot of garlic at least 2 weeks before your surgery. 5. Babies and young children. Due to the risk of botulism, garlic is usually not suggested for babies and young children younger than 1 year old. This is especially true for homemade oils that contain garlic. Also, young children may have weak stomachs and not be able to handle garlic well. 6. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Garlic is usually safe for pregnant and breastfeeding women to eat in small amounts as part of a healthy diet. However, taking too many garlic supplements or eating a lot of garlic may make your stomach hurt. Women who are pregnant or nursing should talk to their doctor before eating garlic to make sure it is safe for them and their baby. You should talk to a doctor right away if you fit any of these categories or have concerns about eating garlic. They can give you information that is specific to your health needs and situation. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.